Comrades, we all want to be healthy, but nowadays, with our busy lifestyle, we do not get the opportunity to spend our daily lives in a healthy way. When people's lifestyles change in a way that is detrimental to health, the chances of developing diseases are very high. Because of this, we are now seeing a huge increase in cancer patients in many countries of the world. So, scientists and doctors in many countries of the world are trying hard to create a vaccine to prevent cancer. As a result of those efforts, some of the vaccines created have also become successful treatments for some stages of these cancers. The latest results of these efforts are coming from Russia. Russia has announced that it has produced a highly successful vaccine to combat cancer. Comrades, today in this video we are going to talk about this vaccine that Russia is preparing to produce. Before going to the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now let's go to the video. Comrades, these days we hear mostly about the wars in Russia. But these days we have good news from Russia. The news that Russia is going to introduce a new vaccine for the virus has been circulating on the internet for a while now, and Russia has even issued a statement about this. You know that cancer is a very dangerous disease. Every year, nearly 10 million patients die worldwide due to various cancers. At the same time, about 20 million new cancer patients are diagnosed every year. When comparing the data from 10 years ago with the previous data, it can be observed that the number of cancer patients in the world has doubled. It is currently being observed in the latest studies that men are more likely to get cancer than women. When analyzing cancer data, we can see that the African continent has the lowest number of cancer patients compared to other regions. The country with the lowest number of patients in the world is the African country of Sierra Leone. However, Sierra Leone has a large number of AIDS patients. The country with the highest number of cancer patients in the world is Australia. It has been identified that there are 492 cancer patients per 100,000 people in Australia. Although early detection of cancer can prevent death, most patients are diagnosed with cancer after the disease has reached a severe stage. Doctors and scientists have been trying to develop various cancer vaccines for a long time. But none of them have been a sustainable solution to cancer. Around 1969, Dr. Blumberg discovered the hepatitis B virus and developed a vaccine to prevent it. It became a successful treatment for liver cancer. For this, Dr. Blumberg was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1976. While the world is waiting for an effective vaccine for cancer, Russia has attracted the world's attention with its announcement that it will find a vaccine for it and provide it free of charge from 2025. Russia says that this vaccine has the maximum potential to treat all types of cancer. The Russian government has contributed to the further development of this cancer vaccine. The Gamaleya National Research Institute, the Hamsun Moscow Cancer Research Institute and the Blok Hinda Cancer Research Center have taken the initiative to achieve this success. Like Russia, the main goal of developing the latest cancer vaccine is not to prevent cancer, but to treat cancer patients. This vaccine transports biomolecules called mRNA into the body of cancer patients. Through this, a special protein is produced in the body of cancer patients. These new proteins fight cancer cells and produce antibodies. Preclinical trials of the vaccine have shown that it can boost the body's immune system to recognize and destroy cancer cells, Alexander Kindosberger, the national director of the Institute for Microbiology Research, told the media. But scientists in Western countries are already beginning to express doubts about this vaccine created by Russia. They say that Russia has not yet released any clinical reports on this, so it is unacceptable. Also, the heads of other American manufacturing companies have said that they will not believe it until they see it with their own eyes. Russia does not even consider the criticism of the Western countries about the vaccine. However, in early 2024, the Russian president had mentioned in the public media that his country was producing a vaccine for cancer patients. Also, the head of a Russian medical research institute, Andrei Kaprin, had stated that the value of a dose of this vaccine would be about 300,000 Russian rubles. That is, about $1,300. The fact that Russia decided to distribute this vaccine for free is a very special decision. Russia committed itself to producing the vaccine because cancer was also spreading widely in Russia. We should especially mention that Russia has earned respect for its pharmaceutical production as well as its weapons production. Russia is a country that has discovered successful medicines throughout history. However, if it succeeds in this way, it will really be a big reason for the people of many countries to live longer. We saw that last Christmas, many people had even prayed for the success of this vaccine. Let us also pray that this cancer vaccine in Russia will be successful. Comrades, do you remember that I said at the beginning of the video that the country with the lowest cancer rates in the world is Sierra Leone, located on the African continent? In the next video, we will explore the reasons for the low cancer rates in Sierra Leone. So, that's the end of the video for today. Subscribe to Chase Quest channel to watch more videos like this. Have a good day everyone.